Hello, welcome to round 1, hypnosis meditation. Going in through our crown chakra down to our root, we will plant affirmations that we are wanting to move into present reality. You may resonate with them in the moment and not really remember them afterward. You may fully remember them, you may forget them altogether. Any mix is fine. You don't need to remember them. The point of going into the lower dimensions of ourself is so that we don't have to remember them. We're working to reprogram the subconscious so that the conscious being gets to experience the new program. For this practice, you will want to sit comfortably, plan to be uninterrupted for about 15 minutes. If you have to pee, do that now. And you won't need to write, although you may want to write afterward, anything that comes to mind. I want you to, once you get into your seat and get comfortable, we're going to start to take a few deepening breaths, and then you're going to actually consent. When there comes to be a time to consent, you're going to actually do that. And there will be maybe a couple of other cues. My suggestion and offering to you is that you sort of follow them like a child would, following like really important directions. And that is to get you into that more creative consciousness before we get into the lower realms for the sake of this practice session. Also, you will notice there is a fan noise or a white noise in the background. During pauses, when you aren't listening to my voice or following a cue, find that sound. Listen to that sound like it's about to tell you something that you know you want to know, while you're listening to me in between. So if you're ready to sit comfortably, get relaxed, make sure your phone's turned down. If you want something for your hands, I have a rock. You can grab that. And just start to relax the body. We're going to start with a few deepening breaths. And let the breath sort of kind of cue the body for not just this one practice, but we'll do this opening probably every time. And you can start to do this at any time and give your body cues. Okay, we're going into this more relaxed space, more intentional, deliberate, more allowing, but intentional space. So now I would like you to think, in this next deepening breath, I consent to this healing. I consent to this practice. I consent to this transferring of energy. Again, letting the breath deepen, and let the exhale go out of the mouth if you can. Blow the air all the way away. Let your eyes start to focus on something around you. Listening for that fan noise. Let the eyes start to look down at the floor, looking closer into the body or at the nose. Let the eyes close if they want to. Let your ears stay tuned to my voice and the fan. Let the body relax. Let the body relax with every cue we go through. Give yourself permission to relax. I am willing to relax. I want this relaxation. I am relaxed. Another breath. Start to imagine the energy around your body, our aura field. It's about 3 feet around. That energy swirling and moving about. Imagine it swirling and culminating and streaming. And now it's going to start to come up and pour into our crown. Into that crown chakra. Let the breath be nice and deep and relaxed. Think about that energy entering in through the crown. How must it feel? How might it feel? If you don't know, just breathe. Let yourself notice breath and listen for the fan. Breathing that energy down in through the eyebrows and over the nose. Brimming over the chin and reaching down into the throat. Sort of covering and loving and highlighting our throat chakra here. Let blue energy swirl about in your mind and just think blue for a moment here. Let the blue sort of vibrate under your eyes. Let the blue feel underneath the layers of your skin as we're just beneath the top layer. We're just a little more relaxed here. Let the blue soothe you more and relax you deeper into your seat. Willing and allowing. Breathe that blue deeper and lower into the body, lower and lower into the belly. Breathe and breathe. Each breath relaxing more into the seat. Anchoring down lower into the belly, right behind the navel. Another breath and sort of plant your mind, plant your energy in the back of your belly, like behind the navel center, but like the back of the belly, not in your spine. See if you can imagine being inside of that inner body, like in between the you and you of you. Listen to the fan. Deeper in the belly, deeper in the body. I am safe. I am willing. I am responsible. And I am the best one to make these choices for me. Another breath and go lower into the womb space, into the space where our creativity lives, our water energy swirls. Listen to the fan. I'm willing to go deeper. Take a breath in and go down to the seat, down into the root. Exhale, and here's where we will stay for a moment. Feel yourself anchored deep into that lowest, closest part to your seat of your spine and what you're sitting on. Think it with your eyeballs down there too. Breathe it down there. Relax down into that space. Listen to the fan. Repeat after me, whether they're just in your mind or aloud, you decide. You'll know it's right for you. Don't second guess yourself. It may change. Everything you do is right. Listen to the fan in between. I am safe to think, to feel, and to decide for myself. I am responsible for me. I am accountable for me. I trust me. Listen for the fan. I am the most valuable person to me. My inner guidance was designed for me to hear what's best in every moment for me. I now activate this guidance and I choose to hear it more. And so it is. Thank you. I love you. Thank you. More, please. Thank you. Listen for the fan. Take a nice deep breath in and hold on to it for a moment. Let the body feel lifted. Exhale, blow it all the way away. Another deep breath in. Let the body feel lifted. Blow it all the way away. Moving up into the ocean of your body. Lightening the body, lifting the body, listening for the fan. Releasing the root chakra. No need to memorize anything. All the work is done. You've done everything right. You are the best person for you. Breathing up behind the belly. Exhale out of the mouth. Breathing into the heart. I love you. I love you. Breathing a deep breath in. Let the body feel lifted. Exhale, deep breath. Breathing behind the throat. Blue, blue, blue. Everywhere blue. Listening for the fan. Inhale, big breath in. Let the body feel lifted. Exhale. Third eye, looking behind the eyes with closed eyes, up into the third eye, imagining a triangle if you can. But looking behind the eyes, closed eyes up to the third eye, all attention at the eyes, all-knowing eye. Inhale, big breath in, listening for the fan. I activate, I accelerate. And so it is. Exhale, blow it all the way. Nothing to do. Inhale, I trust me, I trust me, I trust me. Exhale, blow it all away, nothing to do. Inhale at the crown, you're at the crown. Exhale, we'll swirl it all back around into the aura. Nothing to do. Listen for the fan. Anytime you hear this quiet noise, the body will remember these affirmations with no effort on you. All this work is done. You've done a very good job. You may notice these effects immediately. You may not know that you notice them. You'll know when the time is right. If there is self-doubt, don't worry. There is more to come. It will reassure you. You will not be doubtful. You will know you've planted the seed. Every fan you hear vibrates that energy into your being more. Listen for the fan everywhere you go. If you get anxious, listen for the fan. If you get tired, listen for the fan. The replenishment is here. Blink the eyes open. Notice something blue in the room around you. Thank that blue, blue. Hand on the heart, hand on the throat. Trust me. Hand on the belly, hand on the lower part of the root of the spine, lower seat space, root chakra space. Just acknowledgement with the hands. Vortexes of your body, energy allowing spaces, portals, power, your power. I am safe and I trust me. And so it is. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Me, hand on the heart. Thank you, hand on the throat. Thank you. Hands to prayer. Thank you for sharing this session. Let me know if you have any questions. If this is the first time and we're still in the study, please complete this one time to your best of your ability and let it go. Don't feel like you have to do it again. The next meditation will be coming in the next day or so, and we're going to do them sort of back to back. We'll, in that time, notice which background happenings resonate with our outer feedback, outer awareness most. Which one we feel like we land with more. There's no work to do here. All the work is done. Trust that you have done the best. There is nothing else for you to do. Have the best day. Thank you.